Okay guys, let's quickly move on to the algorithm number 3 in stack. Okay, let me take another color. Okay, algorithm number 3 in stack, and this algorithm is called as balanced parenthesis, or checking whether a parenthesis is balanced. Okay, checking whether a parenthesis is balanced. Fine. Okay, so what do you mean by balanced parenthesis first? It's very simple, guys. Say for an example, I'm having an expression like this. Okay, so a plus b star c. So this is my expression. You check the parenthesis. Okay, say here I have an opening parenthesis. So the opening parenthesis is 1. I'll have another opening parenthesis, so plus 1. I have closing parenthesis, so cancel this. I have closing parenthesis again, so cancel this. Okay, so what you'll get 0. So if you get 0, if you do like this, okay, this is simple idea. If you do like this and both the ones are cancelling, means then it means that the parenthesis, the expression is balanced. Okay, the parentheses are balanced. Okay, so what do you mean by unbalanced then? I'll tell you. Okay, let's say I just want one more parenthesis here. Okay, so now check. Okay, so you have opening, put 1. You have another opening parenthesis, put plus 1. You have closing, so cancel 1. You have closing again, cancel 1, but you have one more closing and there is no one to cancel here. Now this is unbalanced. Okay, this is unbalanced. The idea here is the number of opening brackets should be equal to the closing brackets, right? So opening brackets are 1 2, whereas closing brackets are 1 2 3, right? So this is not possible. Okay, this is unbalanced, and if you remove this will become balanced. Okay, I hope I made you clear about balanced and unbalanced parentheses. Okay, let's go how to implement this algorithm. So yeah, objective here is to check whether string is balanced or not. A expression containing the parenthesis is balanced or not. Okay, so quickly move on and let's check it. Okay, so the idea here is very simple. Let's take the same example, and you take it in a string. Okay, so whatever you are doing, this example I'm gonna take. Okay, this example I'm gonna take. Okay, so this is balanced or unbalanced. Yeah, just pause the video and think about it whether this is balanced or unbalanced. Okay, fine, super. Yeah guys, you got it right. This is unbalanced parenthesis because the number of opening parentheses is not equal to number of closing parentheses. Okay, so what you are going to do here is you just express it like this, because anyway you are going to store the string only in the form of array, right? That's called as character string. In C program you're gonna character array, actually you're gonna store the string in the form of character array only, right? So let me pictorially represent like this. Okay, so okay, just observe what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'll have, so opening parenthesis first, again opening, I hope, again I had a, I had a plus, I had b, then I had a closing parenthesis, I had a operator, that's multiplication operator, then I had a c, then I had one more closing, and I had one more closing. All right, so what you have to do, here as far as this parenthesis matching is concerned, and you'll create a stack. Okay, let's create a stack. Fine, and just observe what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is my stack. Okay, fine, super. And the first step in this algorithm, the first step is actually this is not needed. Okay, let's leave that. Okay, I'll talk about that later. Fine, so okay, traverse the string or scan the string one by one. Okay, character by character you have to scan the string. Okay, character by character you have to scan the string. Okay, so how should you do that? It's pretty simple, right? Wait a minute. Yeah, so look at the first character. It is an opening parenthesis. There are two steps to be followed here, guys. If it is an opening parenthesis, then push it into the stack. Okay, and if it is a closing parenthesis, remove the opening from stack. Let me explain that. I have an opening parenthesis, so I'll just push it into the stack. Okay, so I'll push the opening parenthesis into the stack. I have one more opening parenthesis, so push that into the stack. Okay, if you encounter any operand or operator, any other variable other than parenthesis, just ignore it. Okay, so you don't want that, ignore it. Operator, you don't want that. B, okay, you don't want that. And you have a closing parenthesis. If there is a closing parenthesis, then remove one element from the stack, pop one element from the stack. So I am popping this. Okay, I am popping this. Clear? So if I have one more, operator ignore, operand ignore. So I have one more closing parenthesis, so I am popping one more element. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so I have one more opening closing parenthesis, but I don't have any elements in the stack to pop. So this means the string is unbalanced. Okay, so this is the idea, guys, behind by checking whether the parenthesis is balanced or not. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you a lot in the next video.